Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Leetle. Today we're going to be doing the Leetle for the 23rd of January 2025. We're going to be doing Leetle 23. We're going to be validate palindromic number. When a function solve that checks whether an integer is a palindrome without converting it to a string. Okay. So what I need to do is first of all look into how to do powers in Python. Python power. Pow base comma exponent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do in the range of values. Yeah, so well, okay. I need to find how many digits long the thing is. So I'm going to be dividing by log of 10. So log of the number divided by log of 10, math.ceil. So length is equal to math.log of num divided by, can I just do log? I'm going to have to do math.log of 10. Let me quickly just check to see how log Python. Yeah, you have to do math.log. Okay. And then ceil. I might have to do math.ceil. So, by the way. So that's how many digits long the thing is, right? Yeah, because log of 10 is how many digits long the thing is. If it's 10, it's equals 1. Ah, shit. Wait, no, that's not going to work. Okay, num plus 1. That should work. And then for I in range length, num minus equals so to get the digit, we're going to do math.floor of num divided by power 10I. Then we're going to do or probably just mod, right? Probably just works. That 10. We're going to have mod num equals that. We're going to do num minus equals mod num times pow 10I, and num minus equals mod num times pow 10 length minus I minus 1. If the length, that's how many digits long it is, times 10, well, times 10 to the power of, yeah, so it'd be minus 1, okay. So, yeah, and then if num equals 0, or then just return num equals 0. Okay, invalid syntax. So, Python mod. Do I have to do math.mod? Oh, wait. Oh, it's literally just, okay, so I can just do that mod 10 Invalid syntax. Okay. So, import math. Length is math.ceil of math log of num plus 1 divided by math log of 10. So that should be correct. For I in the range of length, mod num is equal to the floor of the number. Oh, I didn't put in parentheses correctly here. Math domain error. Okay, and we're getting closer. But 10 to the power of 0 should just be 1, so that shouldn't be a problem. The problem is if the length is 1. The problem is if, okay, so the length is 0. If the number is 0, then we're doing math.log 1 divided by log of 1 is 0, so the length is 0. If num equals 0, return true. Okay. So, otherwise, if my number is, say, number 1, they're giving me a single-digit number, then regardless... That's tricky. Does it break is it the issue here negatives? Because it says integer. It doesn't say positive integer. So number divided by 1 is what you're originally going to be getting. Mod 10. So you're getting the digits in the zeros place. And you're going to be doing mod num times 1. If you subtract that, so the final digit is now going to be a 0, which is intended. Now we want to go take the first digit and subtract that. So we're going to do mod num equals power 10 length minus I minus 1. So if our number is, let's say, for simplicity, 1881. So log of 1882 divided by math log of 10 would be a little bit bigger than 3. So it'll end up being 4 because it's math.ceiling. So 4. Length is 4. Power of length minus I, which is 0 minus 1, is 3. 10 to the power of 3, which is 1,000. So it sets these both to 0. Let's do math.ceil of length divided by 2. That should work a little bit better, right? What is wrong with the math domain error? Okay, I want to look up one more thing. Python math domain error. Doing a log of number that is less than or equal to 0. Where? We're going to do this. So it's less than equal to 9, return true. Because An integer isn't a palindrome if it starts with a negative in front, right? What was the first test case? 1, 2, 1? So which cases failed? 1 and 5. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Why did that fail? I'm just testing on TO right now. Oh, it's not printf, it's just print. So it says print false, but I'm just going to return num now. Why is it giving minus 300? Oh! Fuck! I see what I did wrong. God damn it. So my issue... Oh, this is the wrong... So my issue is that when the numbers are odd length, like 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, this 3 gets subtracted twice by this section here. Damn it. Oh, that bites. So I've got to do if length minus I minus 1 does not equal I, then do that. And then that will work. Ah, but yeah, I because I couldn't see the test cases, and it was, yeah, so this, because of that weird math error with negative numbers, I didn't think that when it says integer, why the fuck would you pass negative numbers? That's just fucking terrible. I figured that out early-ish enough, but I ran through this multiple times, not understanding what the hell was wrong with it. And like, let's me just code in like a fail-safe. I don't know. I don't like this question either, but in the end, I figured it out, even if I ultimately did not pass today's Leetle. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Cheers!